It's Skincare Sunday. Skincare Sunday. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia Salvia. Hey! So I know that we have been waiting for this video for a while, and I'm so sorry about that. So as most of you know, I don't know what the hell happened, but my skin all of a sudden just went nuts on me. Like, I'm used to getting like a little bit of acne here, a little bit of acne there. Sometimes my skin's a little more dry on some days it's a little more oily. But this was like, oh hell no. Mwah. All of a sudden, my skin starts to get all this texture on it from like my forehead, all around my eyes, like on the inner corners of my eyes, all around like the sides of my face, behind my ears. It started to go down to my neck. It was just like a mutation. I'm turning into a crocodile. Like, I don't know. So I did some research. I had a couple of ideas of what it could be, what could have caused it.
I am slightly allergic to dogs, but like so slightly that it doesn't bother me. Like, I can still have a dog. I just may have to take Benadryl once in a while. So I thought that maybe it was because my dog was sleeping in my bed, but she always slept like...
Then I just thought that the devil, like Satan, wanted to like just screw me. So I did end up going to the dermatologist, and here is what happened. Hello, we just got done at the dermatologist, and I'm like so upset. My theory was wrong. At least according to the dermatologist, my theory was wrong. But basically, you guys, what's going on with my skin is just what she said is just acne, and then around my eyes, I don't know. I'm having a tough time really like trusting the opinion. I showed her pictures and everything, and like honestly she just disregarded the pictures, which really show what it is. But she said that it's just acne and Milia, which is a form of acne, just very like clogged pores. But to me, to be honest with you, it doesn't make any sense. That it like makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to me that they would just appear out of nowhere, all together, all at once, and then slowly like creep down my neck, behind my ears, like around my eyes. So that, I don't know, that seems like kind of odd to me. But with that being said, I do have Keratosis Pilaris on the back of my arms, or KP on the back of my arms. It's a very like light, mild case of it. I take really good care of the back of my arms, so I am going to show you guys how I take care of that, how I fixed my face, how I got my skin back to where it should be. This is almost back to where it should be, but how I kind of just started the process on bringing my skin to come back to its normal state. So yeah, let's do it. Let's get into today's Skincare Sunday. Safe to say, I was not impressed by the dermatologist's opinion. Every dermatologist I've ever seen literally just looks at me, tells me what it is, and calls it a day. So it just made no sense to me that all of this texture on my face was acne. I really thought that it was Keratosis Pilaris, and if you guys are familiar with what Keratosis Pilaris is, you know that a lot of people, I know I get it on the back of my arms, and she did diagnose me and tell me that that is what's going on the back of my arms. Basically, it looks like chicken skin. Mine is not that bad, and how I take care of my Keratosis Pilaris is I exfoliate with any type of like sugar exfoliator. When I do that consistently, it goes away. So I assumed that that was what was going on my face. But I want to show you guys what I did with my skin and how I helped get that texture off of my face to go away. Basically everything that I did myself before I saw the dermatologist, because yeah, I wasn't gonna wait that long. So in the shower, I was still cleaning my face with these guys. This is the Your Good Skin Refreshing Face Wash and Energizing Facial Scrub. The face wash is just like a very gentle face wash, and the facial scrub is a gentle exfoliator. I figured that I'd just continue to use these because I really only wash my face in the shower, but I do, I don't know, I just figured these would still be good for my skin at the time, because it was, you know, a little sensitive, and these worked really well. Still am using them. So the next product that I also continued to use, this is the Bioderma Scentsy Bio H2O Makeup Removing Micellar Water. So as you guys know and have heard, I use the micellar water as kind of like a gentle toner. Just takes off all of the excess makeup or dirt that I missed on my face. So I continued to use this after I showered, in the middle of the day, after the gym, after I cleaned my face, right before I went to bed. This was something that I use pretty often, clearly because the bottle is almost gone. I just decided to avoid toners or astringents or witch hazel altogether, because those can kind of irritate the skin depending on which one you use and all the irritants that may be in it, like alcohol or anything like that. With my skin going batshit crazy on me, I was like, let's just play it safe. So you guys know I love Fresh Beauty. I started using, and I had used before my face got all crazy on me, the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. And this is a mask that you leave on for like 5 minutes during, like, I would do this in the morning. I would leave it on for literally 5 minutes. 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long I had to leave it on. But really, this says you only have to leave it on for like 5 minutes. So yeah, that's awesome. This mask really helped kind of smooth out my skin, brighten my skin, which is absolutely amazing that it does that in 5 minutes. And this did not irritate my skin at all. So I did actually, I was in the city and I had some time to spare, and I just wanted to go into Sephora. So I went into Sephora, and I was actually going in Sephora to purchase a specific product, which I have right here. This is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. So basically, this guy is very expensive, and I apologize if this is not a product that you would buy or are able to buy, but I was doing a ton of research on what was going on with my skin, and this was a product that kept showing up. And I have been dying to try Sunday Riley products, so I picked this up at Sephora, and this I use as kind of like a serum right before moisturizer. It essentially exfoliates the dull surface of the skin, and it visibly brightens the appearance of age spots and discolorations, plumps fine lines. Basically, the lactic acid is the awesome little product inside this product. So I went into Sephora to purchase that product, and when I did, an employee actually came up to me and was talking to me about how I could get a facial if I purchased $75 or more in skincare. And I was like, hells yeah. We did a little facial. They were actually doing hydrofacials, like on the floor, like on the store's floor, like not literally, but you know what I mean. So if you guys don't know what a hydrofacial is, it's like that little machine that like sucks out all of the stuff in your pores, all the dirt and all the grime and all the yucky stuff. They were doing that in the middle of Sephora, and when she was doing that, there's kind of, I think there's two or three steps to it. The first one is just kind of getting rid of all of the dirt, oil, debris, all that gross stuff from your skin. And then the second thing is they use hyaluronic acid, and they kind of infuse that into your skin. When I tell you guys, my skin looked so good after that. I was just, it just looked so good. So from that, I feel like my pores may have been clogged, and that's kind of what was adding to all of these bumps on my face. So getting a hydrofacial really helped, like immensely. Like I'm saying like if the bump was this big, you guys, after the hydrofacial, it was this big. Like it made such a big difference. So go get you one of those. Even if you have to go to a spa, they're so worth it. The Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream. Now I had an issue with eye cream because there was a lot of texture around my eyes, like on the outer corner and also right here on like the inner corner. I had a lot of problems with eye creams. A lot of them were like even like the eye masks. Any eye creams were just irritating around my eyes and making it worse. So I had to find a cream that I could put around my eyes that was very delicate and didn't irritate it more. So this definitely worked. I was a little concerned when she had put it on in Sephora, but she put it on, felt fine, and I was very happy because I feel like eye cream is so important, especially with keeping like, I feel like it's the most, I think it is the most delicate part of your face. So the next product I want to show you guys is this little guy. This is Different Gel. It has 0.1% adapalene. This was actually a recommendation from the dermatologist. She recommended Different Gel or something else. I think Different Gel used to not be available over the counter, but now it is. This I picked up at Target. It was a little difficult to find, but I did end up finding it. So this is supposed to really focus on acne. I haven't been using it for too long, so I don't know if this is really helping, but if you guys look at my skin now compared to what it was, I was getting so much acne. You know, all the bumps, even like add all the bumps to my face, the weird texture in my skin. It was bad. It was bad. So I'm gonna continue to use this and hopefully it does help with the acne. Another thing that I did want to mention to you guys was I was prescribed spirulactone. I have taken spirulactone before. It is a just a medicine that helps with hormonal acne. I don't necessarily, when I think of hormonal, I think of like period acne. I don't get acne really in accordance with my period. I get acne when I'm stressed. I get acne when I don't wash my face really. Like if I were to sleep in this, girl, you know I'm gonna get acne tomorrow. I'm gonna get a pimple here, all over this face. That's usually when I get acne. I was actually prescribed spirulactone a while back and I was taking it for about a year and it really kept my skin clear and really helped my acne just go away. That brings me to my next product. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream with Super 7 Complex. A lot of face creams were kind of irritating my skin because I feel like it was so sensitive from all of the bumps on my face. So I used this cream. We also used this cream in store at Sephora when I was getting the hydrofacial done. We used this after and it really just helped moisturize my skin, which I felt like it really needed, but it didn't irritate it whatsoever. Finally, you guys, the last product I want to show you, this is the Skin Fix Renewing Cream, clinically proven to smooth, dry, rough, bumpy skin and keratosis pilaris. So this is from Skin Fix. I use this on the back of my arms like with my scrubs and everything like that, and it does really help to get rid of rough and bumpy skin. I did use just like a dab of this all over my face to kind of help the process a little bit. I definitely recommend this guy for any keratosis pilaris that you have maybe on your arms, legs, on your body. I don't know about for the face because like I said, even after doing some research, I really wish I knew exactly like what it was on my face, you guys, because then we can kind of go about this a little differently. But I really like this Skin Fix lotion moisturizer. It's really great on the body. I did use a little bit on the face and it seemed to have helped. You guys, that is it. That is it for all the products what my skincare routine kind of started to look like, what it looks like now. I'm probably going to continue with this more sensitive skincare routine for a little bit longer. All of the bumps are pretty much gone. My skin's nice and smooth again. Just have the normal like acne scarring and bumps that I usually do, which I'm happy with. I'm happy with considering where my skin was. So that's it, you guys. I hope this video was really, really informational, and I hope it wasn't boring. Please let me know in the comments below what other skincare Sundays or what other skincare stuff do you guys want to see. I would love to know, because sometimes this brain doesn't work really well and I need you guys' help. Okay? As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here. Don't forget to click the notification bell. You'll regret it, okay? Just click it. Click it. Click it. You'll get notifications. You'll know when I upload. We can like hang. And of course, make sure to check out all of my other skincare Sundays right here. I'm gonna try to be more consistent, okay? Okay, 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 okay. I'm so happy that my skin is back to normal. Thank you guys for all of your concern and all of your love on Instagram. It means the world to me. But we're back.